Hello children. So today in this video I am going to tell you about solution and solubility. Suppose in my hand sugar is there and water. When I am mixing this sugar in water, this is called solute. Water is called solvent. And when I mix this sugar in water, what I am getting? This is called solution. So sugar, solute, water, solvent, and when I mix together it is called solution. If I will use hot water, so what will happen? Solution will take place faster than the cold water. And as you know, water is called universal solvent. Why? Because maximum solute will mix faster and it is easily make a solution. That's why it is called a universal solvent. One term we are using, saturated. So when I mix sugar in this one, after some time sugar will not dissolve in it. So that is called the saturated point. So we are saying saturated solution. Now in next I am showing you how water is getting purified. I hope this much is clear to you all. Solvent, solution and solubility. Now we are going to talk about purification of water.
Water treatment. All natural waters contain many organic and inorganic impurities in it. The principal contaminants in water are pathogenic bacteria, traces of organic compounds, substances producing color, taste, odor, suspended materials and minerals causing hardness, etc. For human consumption and other purposes, water is treated by a large number of processes. A water treatment plant has the following major units: storage and sedimentation basins. Raw water from the river or canal is stored in 2 or more huge basins. Most of the suspended materials settle down in these tanks by sedimentation. Rapid mix unit. Here a coagulant solution is added to water to coagulate the finer suspended particles including microorganisms. Clarifier. In the clarifier, the loaded particles settle down to the bottom by sedimentation. Clear water is removed from the top by decantation. This clear water has some turbidity. Rapid sand filter. This is used for the filtration of clear water obtained from the clarifier. Here, turbidity causing fine solid particles are trapped in the thick sand layer. Disinfection. Filtered water may contain bacteria and viruses. These are destroyed by disinfection. The most common method of disinfection at waterworks in India is chlorination, where chlorine gas or bleaching powder is used to kill bacteria and viruses. Treated water storage. Treated water is stored in underground tanks from where it is distributed through overhead service reservoirs or directly through pumping sets.
Now you all are very much clear how water is getting purified before it is coming to your tap water. So why we are using water purifier before drinking? Because simple reason I am giving you, sometimes water pipes leakage is there. When leakage is there, it is possible that dirt, germs get inside your pipelines and it comes to your tap water. So that is why we are purifying it before drinking. So I hope in this video it is